No, you will not. No, I'd be calling 911.
911? Yeah, you would be calling 911. I'll be calling the FBI.
Angela, stay on this side. Because I don't know what's on that side.
That's why I'm hanging into this. Hey, my boot stuck. Sissy, my boot stuck. Mommy, this is boots. Help me, Mommy. My boot stuck.
Oh, you got out. Angela.
Cool, Mom. Oh, look, you can see everything, Daddy.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's probably water right there.
Listen, I'm coming. Sissy! No, you can't be up here. Daddy, go!
I wonder where the water is actually at.
I don't know. That's as far as you need to go.
Daddy, that's as far as you can go. You can go as far as you want. What? Yeah, that's what I thought, Dad.
Wayne, are you okay?
There's water down there.
Yeah, June. I'm gonna move now.
Ouch.
You okay? Oh, goodness. You alright?
Let's hold my hand.
I got my foot wet.
Can I go?
There's water over there.
Told you.